Well, Leslie, we're about a third of the way through earnings season, and it's a very complicated picture. So there are some winners emerging. For example, all the work from home plays. Sherwin-Williams just had a great number overall. They actually raised guidance in a quarter where very few people are giving it. They raised it. The home builders are killing it. D.R. Horton had a big increase in orders. The same with MDC. But these are kinds of the exceptions. No guidance from a lot of the industrials. That's really an issue here. 3M kind of missed. They didn't give any guidance. XEROX, for example, didn't give any guidance. Raytheon didn't give any real guidance at all. Neither did Harley, and they had a big loss, an unexpected loss. They're down big today. McDonald's had a modest miss as well. So there's two stories emerging here. One story is the reopening is going a lot slower than people were anticipating a month or two ago. XEROX said this essentially today. Here's what they had to say. The continued uncertainty around the spread and resurgence of the virus has changed our prior expectation for an inflection point following the second quarter. We now expect a slower pace of gradual recovery in the second half of the year. So there's one story. Reopening's going slower. And yet the bulls are maintaining the second quarter was the bottom, and the numbers are getting better, and they have some support. The earnings estimates for the third quarter on the S&P are getting better. They were down 25% a few days ago. Now they're only down about 23%. Doesn't seem like much, but it's rare for the numbers to go up in the middle of an earnings quarter. So there is some support for the idea that the second quarter was the bottom. If you don't believe that, the head of McDonald's this morning essentially said that. They said things are tough, but I believe, this is the CEO here, I believe that the second quarter represents the trough in our performance as McDonald's has learned to adjust our operations in this new environment. So there you go, the two stories competing with attention. One, the reopening is not going that smoothly. And second, okay, maybe it's not going so smoothly, but the second quarter was the bottom, and slowly, things are getting better. That's the competition for the story ideas. Guys, back to you.